How to turn on or off filter keys in Windows. Filter keys in Windows is an essential accessibility feature, but managing it doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, let's walk through how to enable or disable filter keys, what you should know before deployment, and some important considerations. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why filter keys matter. Filter keys is designed to help users with motor dysfunction by correcting accidental keystrokes. On shared or public devices, this reduces errors and improves accessibility. However, leaving it enabled can create problems such as delayed inputs or disrupted shortcuts. Because of this, IT teams should know how to configure it properly across different environments. How to manage filter keys. There are several ways to enable or disable filter keys in Windows. First, you can use the Settings app. Press Window+I, open Accessibility, Keyboard, and toggle filter keys on or off. Next, the control panel provides a more detailed path. Go to Ease of Access Center, make the keyboard easier to use, then check or uncheck filter keys, click Apply, and Confirm. For advanced control, the Registry Editor lets you modify the flag's value. Enter 127 to enable or 126 to disable. Then restart your device to apply. Always back up before editing the registry. Finally, PowerShell can automate changes with a simple script, making it ideal for enterprise use. By toggling the registry value directly, admins can deploy changes across multiple devices. Enterprise deployment considerations. Group Policy doesn't directly toggle filter keys, but Group Policy Preferences and Intune can apply registry edits or scripts across networks. When deploying at scale, test your changes in controlled environments, document configurations carefully, and confirm compatibility with sticky keys or toggle keys settings. This ensures accessibility without introducing workflow issues. Additional things to know. In kiosk or public environments, configure filter keys as part of the system image. For roaming users, store settings in profiles so they persist across devices. Also, keep in mind that registry paths may vary between Windows versions, especially when working with legacy systems, so validate before rolling out changes. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn on or off filter keys in Windows, linked in the description below.